What's up everyone, Randall here from Go for Noobs, aka GOLANG for Beginners. Today's video we're talking about return values and multiple return values in Go in less than 5 minutes. Stay tuned. Alright, what's up guys? We are talking about return values. Now return values are something that a function will return at the end of a function instead of potentially printing something out. But a return is a value that you can actually pass into other functions or use in other ways. Now, generally, functions look like this up here. We have a function and then a name of the function. Then we have any parameters going into the function. And after that, we have a return. And then in the curly braces, we have actually the instructions of the function. So let's get started. Let's start programming some functions. So we will create a func. We'll call it foo. And then what foo will do is it's going to return an int. And when we do that, we have return 3. Now, if we print that out, if we run the function, what do we get? We will get nothing because we didn't use the format statement. If we run that, we get nothing because this function returns it, it doesn't print it. So if we want to actually see what that is, we would have to do func_println. And when we do that, when we print the function foo, we can see the returned value of 3. Now, that's how you return a single value, but we can also return multiple values. So we have func bar, and then let's have, it'll return 2 strings, string. And we want it to return James Bond. Now, when we run that, again, because we're not printing it out, we have to use the print line statement down here. When we see what that prints out, James Bond. Now, there are some other fun things that you can do with functions, but that is in essence all you need to know about return statements. It's something at the end of a function, you return whatever you want. So for instance, let's just say we wanted to change up a function. Let's create something that reverses the order of strings. So we have another func and we call it reverse. And it's going to take in 2 strings, all right, a string X and a string Y, and then it's going to return 2 strings, string, comma, string. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to reverse the order of those strings, so we're actually going to return Y, comma, X. So it's taking in X, Y, is returning Y, X. So how do we do that? Well, we're going to, again, we're going to have to print this one out, but we're going to do reverse James Bond. All right, so when we reverse that, ideally we should get Bond James. There we go, Bond James. Simple as that. That's how you use return statements in GOLANG. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and I'll catch you later. Peace.